Hi guys, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to box my Midnight Muses box. Comes in a mailer, and this is smelling so delicious. It's from the same. It's from Sugar Muses, basically. The same people who makes Sugar Muses, Christy. This is for December 2019. Let's check it out. The Whispering Woods. Fancy. Ooh, it smells so good. Frankincense tree. Cool. God bless it. It smells amazing. Ooh. Her card. Charcoal. Yummy incense. I love these. She puts these in here periodically, and I have every single one she's ever given me. I love it. I love those little touches. I thought this was a quail egg. Hey, honey. Still filming. You can come in, though. He has ice cream in his hand, so there was no squawking this time. Look at this beauty. Very interesting. I love these things. These little vials are so cool. I love vials. I love bottles. I love various shapes and sizes. So casting salts, frankincense, tears, yum yum. I love the way they look. Myrrh, very nice. I love it. Got a candle here with some greenery. Definitely beeswax, which is my favorite kind of candle, but I know soy is also really cool too. Chamomile tea bags. Little tea bags. Cool. Okay, what do we got here? We got our oil or perfume coming up. Winter Rose. Let me smell it. Ooh, it's definitely like a really fresh rose scent. I'll come back to you. This beauty. Oh my god. I love it. It's a pine cone. I don't know if you guys know this, but we have a thing about pine cones here. We've got bags and laundry baskets full of pine cones every damn place. Love it. Wow. Awesome. And then, looks like I got a deck. You whisk away with these 40 cards to a place of calm solitude. Take a moment to reflect, be steered towards and inspired by peaceful voices from the woodland realm. Amidst your daily life, embrace nature and seek solace in the whispering woods. Very cute. I'm going to open that and do like a walkthrough. I have a lot of walkthroughs to do. I have a ton of decks. A ton. Not as much as like some of you guys who are really into like tarot. I don't have very many tarot decks, but I do have a lot of decks, I think, for me, for a normal person. Am I normal? No. So, let me get a little better view. Let me read this insert. There we go, sorry. Okay, The Whispering Woods, December 2019. The tree is a common universal archetypal symbol that can be found in many different traditions around the ancient world. Humans and trees are forever tied to each other, creating a continuous cycle. They produce the oxygen that we need to breathe, and we produce carbon dioxide, which trees breathe. Trees have played an important role in many of the world's mythologies and religions that have been given deep and sacred meanings throughout the ages. Many cultures brought evergreen trees into their homes upon the arrival of the winter solstice, which occurs in the northern hemisphere between December 21st and 22nd. The evergreen signaled the return of life and light, as the winter solstice meant the days were starting to get longer. Egyptians particularly valued evergreens as a symbol of life's victory over death. In northern Europe, the Druids, the priests of the ancient Celts, also decorated their temples with evergreen as a symbol of everlasting life. Certain trees such as alder, ash, birch, elm, hawthorn, hazel, holly, pine, oak, rowan, thorn, willow, and yew are mentioned persistently in Celtic tradition as being sacred. And then there is the 9 sacred woods mentioned in the Wiccan Rede. Birch, for creativity and fertility; rowan, astral travel, power and success; ash, magical potency and spiritual journeys; alder, prophecy and fairy magic; willow, healing and knowledge; hawthorn, protection and defense; oak, strength and fertility; holly, good luck and protection; hazel, wisdom, divination, and knowledge. This month we highlight frankincense, a resin from the boswellia tree. This tree is considered unusual for its ability to grow in environments so unforgiving that they sometimes grow out of solid rock. This resin has been used for 6,000 years as an incense in perfume and aromatherapy. Its magical properties include luck, protection, purification, consecration, spirituality, enlightenment, inspiration, and introspection. Some believe frankincense is the most powerful and useful incense to prepare a sacred space for any ritual, as it purifies and raises the energy of the ritual space. It's ruled by the sun, element fire, gender masculine. So these are vanilla incense sticks. Okay, we got the casting salts. It has sea salt, rose, and peppermint oils, and dried rose petals. We got the frankincense and the myrrh. Myrrh is also from a type of tree and is used as incense and in perfume. We got the charcoal. So myrrh is for purification, power, consecration, and banishing. It's ruled by the moon and water, and it's female. So that's pretty cool. They're like the yin and yang. That's the first page. Okay, winter rose essential or winter rose ritual oil, peppermint, rose, and frankincense in an almond and vanilla base, vitamin E oil, almond and vitamin E oil base. So this is a leopardite jasper. It resonates with all the lower chakras and aids in connecting us with our inner wisdom. Diminishes negative emotions and aids in grounding. So what's up? A Yule candle, a rosemary, the Whispering Woods deck. Very cool. Can't wait to look at it. Chamomile organic tea, which is right here. Pine cone charm. So cute. Ward off evil influences and illness. Hang in your home or business to bring success and prosperity or carry it with you. The pine is attributed to the Norse god Frey, the bringer of abundant harvest, luck, and fertility. To imbue this charm with your intent. Oh, I already know how to do that. That's the thing. Frankincense tree art print. Oh, that's this one. Cool. So that's by Christy, Midnight Muses. Very cool box. I actually love this Midnight Muses box. I love everything about it. I've been getting it for a while, and I quite enjoy it. I don't have this rock, and I really like the size and the feel of it. I'm loving this. I love 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 these. This is so cool. You know, tea's not my favorite. I collect these candles. I have a huge box full of them. I can't wait to try these out, and I always collect the Book of Shadows. The oils I'm kind of building up again. I should have another oil giveaway because I'm building up on them. But I'm trying to organize my space, which is actually harder than I would imagine since A, I'm running short on time, and B, it's the holidays. So I'm getting things that I'm trying to use to package up gifts for other people, like not just, I still have my giveaway, which I'm almost done packing up for the first giveaway, and I'm going to work on the second one, but also for family and friends. So it's just that time of year. Lovely box. Midnight Muses, highly recommended to you. Christy over at Midnight and Sugar Muses does a really good job. She's got a really sweet whimsical touch to her boxes. I keep most of the things just for the sheer beauty and whimsy of them. Love it, love it, love it. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.